posterior sling bird dog. This is a variation of a bird dog to work on the diagonal sling between the lat muscle on one side and the glute and hip extensors on the other side. This is what it looks like. So we're going to get into a normal bird dog position on hands and knees. And then as I go to extend this hip, instead of reaching this arm out, I'm going to pull against resistance into some extension. Do a little hold at the top and then come down nice and slowly. Okay. So I'm working on my right side lat and my left side glute. This helps provide some stability across your low back. So we'll show from another angle how the lat on the right side and the glute on the left side can work together to provide stability across the low back.